Good evening to everybody. I hope all of you are able to hear me. So only last homework, only 3 students give an answer. I don't know what exactly problem. So let's start with this particular question itself. I'm sure I am audible to all of you. I didn't get confirmation from anybody. All of you able to hear me? Okay. So let's discuss with this question and then we'll proceed the further. This is the last class of your permutation and combination. So last class we discussed about finding coefficient and we'll learn today using coefficient method for doing the permutation combination. So that's these 3 people who given quickly the answers. So I think the office people keep their name. So Haripriya, Paul, Biju and Ananya Lakshmi. These 3 people given the answers. So nowadays here, the people who are giving the answer quickly, they are putting their name. So this particular question, let's talk about this. Look at here. We have to find out the coefficient of x power 7. We have to find the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion. Somebody send the answer in WhatsApp, but if you'll put the answer there, then only I am not putting this list. So they will be putting the list. Chali, find the coefficient of x power 7 in the expansion of this. Okay. Now here, the difference is what? When I say a plus b plus c power 10, then it's very clear that a will come, a power something will come, b power something will come, c power something will come. So here also same situation. What is the a1? I do not know when x power 7 will come because the term will come something 1 power something into 3x power something into minus 2x cube power something. Suppose this power is coming a, this power is coming b, this power is coming c. So what will be coefficient of this? I will say 10 factorial divided by a factorial, b factorial, c factorial. This is the what is coming up. So that means this I can write 10 factorial by a factorial, b factorial, c factorial. And 1 power a you can ignore, 3 power b into minus 2 power c. Carefully watch everybody. Into x power b plus 3c. This is the what? Actually general term. This is the general term of this expansion. Every term will be in this format. Now I want what? I want that term which is having x power 7. That means b plus 3c must be equal to 7. b plus 3c must be equal to 7. This is the first condition. I got it. Actually, my target is that what is the ABC value so that I can put it here and I can get it the answer. B plus 3c has to be 7 according to the question because we have to find x power 7 coefficient. And one more condition I am having. A plus B plus C is 10. Second condition. Why? Because this 10 object is getting distributed like this. So the summation must be equal to 10. These are 2 conditions I am having. I do not have third condition and there are 3 unknown. So as you know that if there are number of equation is less than the number of unknown, so you have to make the cases, you have to count it individually. So let's count it. We'll make up a table and we'll try to see what is the ABC value, what is the ABC possible value can be happen. See, it can be done quickly, but I'm going step by step so that you can understand the perfectly logic. A, B, C. I want that what are the possible conditions can be happen here. First thing what I can do, b a value will start with any one of the value. It doesn't matter which value you're going to start it. But if you think very carefully, it's wise that we'll start with the c. Suppose c is 0. C 0. To check with the first equation, if c 0, so b will be what? B will be 7. And b7, c 0, so a will be 3. This is the one possible combination can be happen. Everybody able to understand this point? Is it clear? This is the one possible condition. What other possibility? We started with the C. So just concentrate on C, question will be done. Now C value I am taking as a 1. So if C is 1, so B will be what? 4. And B is 4, C is 1, so this will be A value will be 5. Now C value 2. C value 2, so this will become 6 and B value will become 1. And B1, C2, so A value will be 7. Yes or no? And now next C equal to 3, not possible. Because C equal to 3, if I will put, what will happen that this B value will become negative, which is not possible because A, B, C are the objects. They cannot be, number of objects cannot be negative. Number of objects can be 0. Maybe this one is getting 0, that is fine. But A, how is it possible A can be get negative? So this is the total possibility. You know what this table means? This table means x power 7 will come under 3 condition. Means there are 3 terms which contain x power 7. There are 3 terms which contain x power 7. Have you understand the point? There are 3 terms which is the containing a power 7, x power 7. So what is the first term? First term will be 10 factorial for coefficient. 10 factorial by 3 factorial, 7 factorial and 0 factorial into 3 power b. 3 power b means 3 power 7 into minus 2 power 0. This is the first coefficient. X power 7 will contain this. Or x power 7 here also containing when a equal to 5 and b equal to your a equal to 5 and what is that? A equal to 5. 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 1 factorial and 3 power 4 and minus 2 power 1. And other possibility of this is what? Other possibility can be happen when this situation, if I am not doing calculation mistake, that please concentrate that 7 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial into 3 power b. B means 1 and this c minus 2 power 2. Means here also x power 7 is there, here also x power 7 is there, here also is x power 7. So 3 terms which contain x power 7. You can take common x power 7. So we'll say this is the coefficient of x power 7. And that calculation has to be done. That calculation we need to do. That will come, I think, 62640. That will come 62640. That answer will come 62640. So it will be 62640. I'm not calculating this. It will be unnecessary waste of time. Everybody understood this point? Please confirm. Everybody clear about this? Please confirm, all of you. See, there are terms which is having more than, there are more than one term, 3 terms containing x power 7. There are 3 terms which contain x power 7. So that 3 terms I calculated, and that summation you have to find it out. This is what the logic is applied. So, and more such kind of the question we will be seeing in the binomial theorem. In the multinomial theorem, again we will use in the topic binomial theorem, right? So let's go ahead, and the last we discuss about the coefficient of x power 10 calculate, coefficient of x power 6. So I hope coefficient logic is clear to you. So we can go ahead and give the heading, all of you. B and C using coefficient method. Using coefficient method. What exactly this? Whole your permutation combination depend on the two things. कि भाई object and places. Whenever we have to arrange, we'll check about the places. Whenever we have to just do selection, so we just take care कि भाई which kind of object is there. Is it identical object, or different object, or mixed object? If it's different object, if you have to select R object out of n different object, we'll say NCR. If you have to select the R object out of n identical object, one way. If you have to select R object out of n mixed object, then we have to make cases. Remember all of you, कि all R are different, something three different, two identical, something like that. Making cases, because object depend, which kind of object is there. Now, to overcome this problem, we can use the coefficient method, which is, of course, it will be really only few situations try to use it. Don't try to use every time because it's a little bit calculation based, but you should know it. This will remove the problem of key object or which kind of object. Any kind of object it can be applied. What exactly meaning and how to do it, let's see about this. When I say I want to select R objects out of n different objects. Now what we used to assume, let's say object is X. So think carefully. If I say expand this 1 plus x power n, expand 1 plus x power n, and tell me what is the coefficient of x power r, you will say NCR. Coefficient of x power r is what? Coefficient of x power r is the NCR. And selecting R object out of n different object is also NCR. So we can say whenever you have to select any object, means if you want to select R object, so that means coefficient of, doesn't matter different or identical, coefficient of x power r in all possible condition. I will tell you, don't worry. All possible condition. Let me explain one by one. Don't write anything. Coefficient of x power r from all possible condition. Up now, what is the meaning of all possible condition? Let me explain by some example, because n and r you will get confused. Let me see. Suppose I say A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 objects. I want to select 3 objects. Select 3 objects. Please listen carefully. Only one point you have to understand. Select 3 objects. Select 3 objects. That means I want 3x. Object means x. Now onwards, object means x. Just x. I want 3x. X means I want x cube. When I say select 3 objects, say that I want x cube. Do you understand? If you want to select 3 objects, I want x cube. That 3 object is identical, different, mixed, does not matter. It's a universal thing. Select 3 object means I want x cube. From where? From this. Now I will go to this A and I will ask, is it necessary A has to come? No. It may come, may not come. This is also x, this is also x, this also x, this also x, this also x. So if first form the A bracket, how to form bracket? Watch it. A will say, I may come, may not come. Means x power 0 or x power 1. Means either 0A will come or 1A will come. I will go to B. I will ask him, what is your situation? He will also say same thing. I may come, may not come. Third one also will say, may come, may not come, and so on. Did you understand? So it means I want x cube from x power 0 is what? 1. 1 plus x power 5. I want x cube from 1 plus x power 5. Why 1 plus x? Because this bracket is 1 plus x. Do you understand meaning of this 1 plus x? Why I am writing 1 plus x? Because this is the x. So how many a can come? Either 0a means x power 0 or x power 1. The power will represent number of object. Till here, everybody able to understand or not? It's a very simple. Those students who can understand this, it's a most powerful tool in permutation combination. Is this clear to this everybody? This bracket, all of you understood or not? 6 object is there. I'm sorry. I think I taken wrong way. 3, 3, 6. Yeah, 6 x power 6 will come. Yes, 6. Is this point clear to everybody? Right? So x cube from 1 plus x. X cube from means what? Coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube from 1 plus x power 6. There is the direct formula. Coefficient, that's what last class we discussed. Coefficient of 1 plus x power n is the NCR. So that will be equal to 6C3. Everybody understood this point. Everyone understood this point. The magic will start from here, but sometime it will be calculation based. So don't get scared. Now, suppose I said to you, select 3 objects from AA, B, C, D, E, F, G. Select 3 objects from AA, B, C, D, E, F, G. Do you remember? Now you cannot say how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You cannot say 8C3 because all 8 are not different. So you'll say, sir, yes, we can do very easily, sir. I will make cases. What cases? All 3 different, 2 identical, 1 different. Of course, very simple. We can do it. But try to understand this basic question method. I want 3 objects. What my mind will say, I want x cube. I want x cube from where? From this. So I will form the bracket. A bracket, what is the possible? Tell A will say, I may not go 1 x power 0, or maybe 1a I will give x, or maybe both a can come x square. Into B I will go, he will say, sir, I can go only 1. Either I will not go or I will go only 1 because I am only 1, B is there. This is also 1 plus x. This is also 1 plus x. So how many 1 plus x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Did you understand? Coefficient of x cube in this expansion. I already discussed about the coefficient. So x cube coefficient in, just multiply and done. So you can do whatever way you want. Right now, don't worry about that, ki, sir, how you are writing it this one. I'm going by lengthy way only. Plus x into 1 plus x power 6 plus x square into 1 plus x power 6. Very simple. Coefficient of x power 3 in this will be 6C3 plus coefficient of x cube here. So here 1x already there. So x square coefficient here 6C2 plus coefficient of x cube in this total is same as coefficient of x in this. That is a 6C1. That is your answer. Finish. Have you understand the point? Everyone, please confirm. Is it clear? You do not have to make cases. Cases automatically this coefficient will make. See, if you do by making cases, then also it will look like answer will look like this. You know, same way the answer will look. But what is this? The job what you are thinking and making cases, that job coefficient is doing. You don't have to do. I know only one thing, ki object means x. Is it different object, identical object, or whatever? I don't care. It's x. I want 5 object. It means I want coefficient of x power 5. From where? From the bracket multiplication. Each object bracket, try to make it. Let's go ahead and see some other question. Suppose I say, I want, let's say start the question directly. In how many ways, four objects can be selected from AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF. Correct? Four objects I have to select from this. I cannot say how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 objects total. I cannot say 12 C4. I have to make cases. What cases, sir, you will make? 4 different, 2 identical, 2 different, 2 identical and 2 identical. We can do manually very much. If you will ask me this question, I will do manually only. I will not do by the coefficient method. Why I am doing coefficient method? Just to train you, so that when the real question gets started, you should be able to understand. So 4 objects, not different, sorry. 4 objects I have to select from this. It means I want the coefficient of x power 4. Where you want? Bracket of A, 1 plus x square. Bracket of B, same. Bracket of C, same. Bracket of D, same. It means power 6. Power 6. Is this clear to everybody? This is the problems comes in case of the coefficient. Sometimes it will look dangerous. Look will be dangerous. Watch carefully. 1 plus x square. What I can write? 1 plus r square plus so on till r power n is what? R power n, 1 minus r power n plus 1 by 1 minus r. So this I can write it. So many ways we can do. Coefficient, my purpose is not to teach you coefficient. My purpose is to teach you what exactly the meaning of this. So this will become 1 minus x cube, because n is the 2, divided by 1 minus x power 6. So that will become coefficient of x power 4 into 1 minus, please concentrate, although if you know, 1 minus x cube power 6 into 1 minus x power minus 6. Correct? Now, think carefully about the expansion of this part. This is the very important. Please concentrate, everybody. Expansion of this part. Because full expansion, if you write, it will take a lot of time. You have to decrease the time. If you expand this, 1 plus x power n, few terms you should know. First term is what? NC naught means 1 plus nx. Yes or no? Next term NC2 x square. Next term NC3 x cube. So on. So now if you expand this one, watch it. First term 1. Second term minus 6x cube. Third term will be something like 6c2 x power 3 whole square, because x role playing x cube. And that will become x power 6. I will not write. Sir, why you will not write? Because if it's x power 6, so this product should give you negative power to get x power 4. That is why last class very much coefficient I discuss. So I will close here itself. Into 1 minus x power minus 6. Now x power 4 will be 1 minus x power minus 6 minus 6 into x cube into 1 minus x power minus 6. Do you remember the formula? I guess, I hope all of you remember. Coefficient of x power a in 1 minus x power minus b is a plus b minus 1 cb minus 1. Right? So using this logic, this x power 4 coefficient I want, so 4 plus 6 minus 1 c 6 minus 1 5 minus 6 into, watch it, x cube already there, so this has to give only x power 1. I want x power 1 in this, so that will become 1 plus 6 minus 1 c 6 minus 1. So that value will become what? 4 plus 6 is the 10 minus 1, 9C5. 9C5 minus 6 into 6C5. Whatever the value that can be calculated. Am I clear to everybody? Please confirm, everybody. Calculation part I am not doing. That part you can do it, please. Later stage. Right now, no need of doing. Yet I'm getting confirmation only from 3-4 people. Rest people are sleeping. If you are sleeping, you can go out and sleep. Why unnecessary sitting and in front of computer and giving stress on your eye? Okay. Some people never get corrected, so I can't help for them. Now, let's do some directly old JEE question. Write a question. In how many ways? Many ways. 4 letters can be selected from the letters of the word mathematics. I think we discussed also by making manual way. Manually, of course, we can do. It's not big deal. I want that key you should do by coefficient method. Coefficient method, everybody. Just write 1-2 steps. After that, further I will be helping you because that much time I cannot wait. Okay, let me start. First job is what? We'll arrange this properly. Whenever mixed object is coming, arrange the object. Arrangement of the object will solve your 25% problem. M, how many M? 2M. A, how many? 1, 2. 2A. And T, how many? 1, 2. 2T. And H1, yeah. H, E, ICS. ICS. ठीक है भाई. I want 4, so it means I want x power 4 coefficient. Where? Let's make the bracket. Bracket of m, 1 plus x square. Because 0, no m, 1m, 2m can be happen. Same bracket for this and same bracket and means multiplication. 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, or we can say 3. And bracket of h, 1 plus x. Bracket of E, 1 plus x, bracket of I, 1 plus x, and means 5 times. I'm sure everybody understood this point. Right? This step, how many of you wrote? At least this step. I'm not talking about answer. How many of you wrote this step? Okay. Now, slowly you have to build up how to do question in the short time. Because if coefficient method you're applying and you're spending 5 minutes to calculate, then it will be really no use. X power 4. This is 1 plus x. So everything I will try to write in the form of 1 plus x. 1 plus x into 1 plus x I can write. Power 3. Into 1 plus x power 5. Yes or no? Try to recall a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. Let's go ahead with that. So x power 4 in, expand this. 1 cube means 1 plus 3a square, 3a into b square means 3x square into 1 plus x whole square plus 3a square, 3x into 1 plus x plus this whole cube plus x cube into 1 plus x cube. Bracket close, 1 plus x power 5. Now 1 plus x power 5 I can send inside because that is more easier. So we'll get 1 plus x power 5 plus 3x square into 1 plus x power 7 plus 3x into 1 plus x power 6 plus x cube into 1 plus x power 8. I cannot ignore any term because I want x power 4. So x power 4 from here, 5c4 plus here 3 anyhow is there. X square already there, this has to provide only 2, x power 2. So we'll say 7c2 plus 3 already there. This has to provide 3, so 6c3 plus 3 is there. This has to provide only 1, so 8c1. 5c4, I guess that is 10. That is 10 plus 7c2, how much? 7 into 6 by 2 means 21. So 21 into 3, 63 plus 6c3, how much? 6c3, how much? I'm doing, see, until unless you'll not reach to final conclusion, there is no use of solving. 6c3, we can write 6 by 3 into 5c2. 5c2 will become 10 and that will become 20. So this is the 20 into 3, 60 plus 8c1 is the 8. Check it. 123. I don't know if I did everything calculation correct or not. 123, 133, 141. Any calculation mistake I did? 5c4 equal to 5. Somewhere some calculation mistake I did, I think. 5c4 is 5. I'm sorry. Yeah, because I remember answer. Answer is not matching. I'm sorry. Here I did mistake. 5c4, 5. So that will become 8, 60, 120, 120 plus 16, 136 is the answer. Yes, 136 would be the answer because I remember this is a JEE question. Yes. Is it clear to everybody? I'm not saying you cannot do by making cases. You can do very much. There is no problem. But there are certain questions which you will do manually, it will be problem. Like in this question, if I make it, I want 5 objects, making cases will be big problem for you. Making cases will be big problem, but that is by this way, it's really any mistake I did. I did correct now. Yes, 136 is the 100% correct answer. I remember the answer. 7C2 is the 7 into 6 by 2 means 21. 63 is the your 6 into 5 into 4. Right? Fine. See, there are so many, some formulas are there, but I'm not recommending any kind of the formula. We have to depend only on basic method. Okay. So if I say five, now I don't care. I have to select 4 object or 5 object or 6 object. If it's a 5 object, it will become much easier. It will become much easier. 5 object, then simply you have to select 5C5 will become here. Here will become 7C3. Here will become 6C4. Here will become 8C2. So for manually, it will be difficult. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Can I go ahead? Please confirm everybody. Please confirm everyone. I'm changing the questions now slowly. Very less number of people give confirmation. Really great people I'm teaching. If you don't understand that also you can mention. See, calculation of the coefficient, there are different ideas can be happen. I'm not discussing here how we calculate coefficient. You can do calculation of coefficient by converting this one as a 1 minus x cube by 1 minus x. That way also you can do. So many way you can do it. It's a so many general situation you can develop and you can do it. That depends practice on your practice. My purpose to tell you that how to use coefficient method. Rest, how fast you can do, how you can calculate calculation of this. It doesn't matter. You can do anything into this. Right. Okay, let's go ahead with now. All of you know my English is very poor, so I just copy paste some questions so that your English should be correct. Yellow. This question. Read question, understand, and think. Can we convert this question in the coefficient? Can we convert this question into the coefficient? Answer as fast as you can. This is simple question. You can give me answer. I want answer, final answer. This question, final answer I want. I don't think more than 1.5 minutes is required for this question. Yes. Some people are giving answer. Yes, correct. 2, 3. 3 people given correct answer. Good. Vaibhav, calculate and tell. Do not run away from calculation. Yes. People are giving correct answer. So let's go ahead and solve. If 3 different kind of mangoes are available for sale in market, in how many ways can we purchase 25 mangoes? Now look carefully. There are 3 different kind of mangoes. Suppose mango 1, mango 2, mango 3. How many mangoes one M1 category is there? I don't know. So many is there. There is no limit. How many here? Any number. How many here? Any number. Now I want, listen me everybody very carefully, very beautiful question. I want 25 mango, means I want 25x. From where? I will go to the M1 and I will ask, bhai, tell me, what is your situation? He'll say, maybe I will be selected, may not be. So 1 x power 0 plus x square. Till where? Maximum how many can be? 25. Maximum how many can be? 25. Wait, 25 I am selecting. The maximum can be 25. Have you understood? Now from here, there are same situation here also, same situation here also, power 3. So we'll say x power 25 in, and this is the GP formula. You remember, I'm not writing again. 1 minus x power 26 by 1 minus x whole power 3. So this is going to be equal to your x power 25 in 1 minus x power 26 power 3 into 1 minus x power minus 3. So we are going to say that key, when you expand this, every term will contain x power 26, which will reject. Any term which contain more than 25 power will reject. So this will be same as 1 minus x power minus 3, because only 1 will take. See, if you expand this, the first term is the 1, second term will be, I'm sorry, 3x power 26, which will reject. So that's why this will come. So answer will be 25 plus 3 minus 1 C3 minus 1, or you can say 27 C2. And 27 C2 is 27 into 26 by 2, which is 30. Rest you can calculate. 351 is the answer. Have you understand? Is it clear? Now let's see the different scenario of this. Concentrate. Everybody, please concentrate. I stop here x power 25. Is it necessary? No. Suppose if I x power 26 I will do. Please concentrate everyone. X power 26. Is there any problem? No problem. Bhai. X power 26 will be rejected. Na? X power 26 will be automatically will get rejected. So it means I got a freedom. What freedom? Upper limit I can go anytime. So why not we make our life more simple? By upper limit, anyhow it's going to be get rejected. So why not we should convert like this? Check it. I will say till infinity. All will be replaced. Hello. Everybody able to understand? So this will, calculation will be easy. You will save your time. You'll get 1 by 1 minus x. Remember all of you, 1 plus r square, so on till infinity will be equal to 1 by 1 minus r. Yes, you can give me one excuse कि r should be less than 1. Yes, it can be. It will be. So x, I did not tell you what is the x value. X is the such kind of variable which is less than 1. Because we have to just check a coefficient, nothing else. So x power 25 in 1 minus x power minus 3. And that will be equal to same thing, 27 C2. Did you understand? Everybody understood that point? It does not matter the upper limit where I will take. Arey, I know it. No? कि other part will get rejected. And here there is a freedom. I can take more. If they say that there are only 15 mangoes, 15 M1 type, first kind of mangoes, 16 second kind of mangoes, 17 third, then of course I cannot go up to infinity. But here they did not mention the number of type of mango, how many type is available, how many mangoes are available. So take it as much as you possible to make calculation faster. And that is why we use the coefficient method. Things will become simple. Now, let's go ahead and see the next question. Beautiful question. And let me see how many people can do beautifully. Look question very carefully. It will tell you the meaning when I should use coefficient, when I should not use coefficient. I'm not saying कि full question you will be able to solve it immediately, but try as much as you can reach. First part answer, if anybody got, please let me know. But do by coefficient method. Actually, manual method is much easier in this case, but I will suggest you do coefficient method. Today's all question do by coefficient method. Today's all question try to do by coefficient method so that you can understand. Till now, I did not get any answer. Surprising. Okay, some people given the answers. I don't think that answer will come. 64, I don't think so. That is very big. How it will be this much? If all are different also, then also is a... Nobody else got. Oh, yeah, this is too much. No, Vaibhav, I think there is a problem. Chalo, let's try. A box contains 2 white ball. That means white, white. 3 black ball means B, B, B. And 4 red ball, R, 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 R. This is the situation. Means there are, we can assume the total 9 letters. I wanted to select 3 letters. So coefficient of power 3 in. First make the bracket of this 1 plus x square. Bracket of this differently I will make 1 plus x square plus x cube. Bracket of this 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. No, there is a problem. If at least one black ball is to be included in the draw, it means this bracket, concentrate, one will not be there because at least one x from here has to come. I hope everybody understood the point. Correct? So we will say x cube 1 up. Now here real you're checking you have to do. From here x I can take common, so I'll get 1 plus x square. And this is I will everything 1 plus x square. So why not this also write it 1 plus x square plus x cube. That's all. This case, this I will reject. I hope everybody can understand why I am rejecting this. This is rejected. Sir, why rejected? Because x cube I want. No? Now see the situation. This x I can multiply here throughout. So this also will get rejected. I'm not rejecting because some of you may not understand. But I'm not rejecting right now. But this I can reject. I hope everybody understood. Now x cube, arrange it, multiply everything, send inside. So you will get x into 1 plus x square power 3 plus x will multiply with the x power 4. So x, any mistake I did? No. So this will become x power 4 into 1 plus x square power 2. Till here everybody understand? Please confirm. Till here, everybody understood. Till this point, everybody understood. Till here, everybody understood. Up now x cube coefficient. Watch it carefully. Here x already there. Means from here I want x square coefficient. And x power 4 is there. So this case again I will reject. Yeah, this is gone. This will not give you x cube by x power 4 is there. And this has to give you x power minus 1, which is not possible. So left it out. Up now here a little bit smart decision you have to take. Coefficient of x cube in this total is equivalent to coefficient of x square in this. Yes or no? Wait, is equivalent to coefficient of x square in this. 1 plus x square power 3. So we'll say x square into, directly I'm writing 1 minus x cube power 3 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Do you understand? Now, if you expand, every term will contain x power 3, which will be rejected. X power cube will be rejected. So, this will be equivalent to coefficient of x square into 1 minus x power minus 3. And that will be 3 plus 2 minus 1 c 2, 3 minus 1. Or you can say 5 minus 4c2. 4c2 is the 6. Answer will be 6. I don't know how you people are getting the big answer. Last point, somebody did not understand. Last line. Last line means, see, I wanted x cube here. I guess you're talking about this case. So this is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Write with different color. 1 plus x square. I can write x 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube by 1 minus x. The whole cube will become this. If you expand 1 minus x cube, actually, it will be what? 1 minus 3x square my plus 3 x power 6, 3x cube, I'm sorry, 3x square plus 3x power 6 minus x power 9. So this case will be rejected. Only one will left from here, and this will multiply. And now directly I apply formula, because x power a coefficient is there. A plus b minus 1, c b minus 1. Am I clear now? Red ball parts. Okay. Check it here. I'm just restarting and explaining you. I want x power 3, because in how many ways can 3 balls be selected? ठीक है भाई, x cube from the box. But there is a condition, at least this condition everybody see, at least one black ball should be included. Is there any condition on white ball? No. 1 plus x square, because white ball may come, may not come. But black ball can be, at least one has to come. The x square, x cube, because maximum 3. Red ball can be anything. So 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. 4 also can be happen. But I reject x power 4. Why? Arey bhai, x cube coefficient you are calculating, no? So how is it possible that x power 4 can give you x power? So this is directly rejected. Any term which is bigger than this can be rejected. I will reject it. And then further I did like this, x common here, and then this is the x into 1 plus x square whole square, that I multiply. So x into 1 plus x square whole cube plus x power 4 into this again rejected. Can 3 red ball? No, 3 red ball cannot come. That cannot come. That's why this, see, last line is getting rejected. We can reject here itself. We can reject x cube here itself to make question more simpler. But I included just to explain, because otherwise some people cannot understand. In fact, if you use common sense, one black ball anyhow has to come. So 3 red ball cannot come. Maximum 2 red ball can come. So basically, you can make this question much shorter. I didn't use that one, but you can write x cube coefficient in 1 plus x square. There is no confusion in white ball, no confusion in black ball, no red ball. Red ball, how many minimum can come? No condition, 1 or x square. But 3 red ball cannot come. Total 3 we are selecting, in which 1 is 100% black. So this much only can be happen. And now very easily you can solve this question. See, now this will be, x will be common from here. X will be, sorry, something wrong I did. I'm sorry. X plus x square plus x cube. Yeah. X common from here. So this will be same as x cube in x, take it out, and into 1 plus x square whole cube. See, same situation is coming up. This x, coefficient of x cube in this total means coefficient of x square in this, which is coming here. Am I clear to everybody? See, that you have to take decision ki how fast you can do. That immediately will not come. If I will do immediately by fast way, you will not able to understand. My purpose is that you should understand the coefficient method. Later stage, you use your brain and make it faster. Making cases and all, you can do them much better way. Right? Now, second part of the question, at least that answer you can give. All balls are considered to be different. This answer, everybody. Second part of the answer. Second part of the question. Second part of the question. What is the answer? What is the answer for second part? No, 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 no. Vaibhav, you are changing your answer as like changing the t-shirt. Go slow, but once you write answer, it should be correct. It should be fixed. You should have confidence in your answer. Anybody else? Now also answer is wrong. Sorry. Eh? Everybody is getting same answer. My God. Be clear, condition is same. Everybody is getting same answer. Maybe in the book answer is given wrong. Oh no, this much small answer cannot come. Surely the answer will be more than the previous answer. Okay, manually do. If you're not able to do by coefficient method, do manually. No, Sanju, you are giving the very big answer. That much big is not there. No, Amla, that's a 1 plus x power 9. How can you say? No, Haripriya, I don't think so. According to book, yeah, it's correct. I think so. I'm not sure. Let's try. Let's try. Two white balls. All balls are different. All balls are considered as a different. ठीक है भाई. So it means I'm having W1, W2, B1, B2, B3, R1, R2, R3, R4. Coefficient of x power 3 in bracket of this W1, 1 plus x. You cannot say a W bracket, 1 plus x, W1 bracket only. W2, 1 plus x. B1, 1 plus x. No, B1. Ab here is the problem. Check carefully. What they say, R1, R2, R3, R4, also we can do the thing. But B1, B2, B3 is the problem. At least one black ball has to come. That is the biggest confusion here. At least one black ball has to come. Do you understand? At least one black ball has to come. So right, I'm black condition I'm not writing. R1 condition, R2 condition, R3, R4. So that will become 1 plus x power 4. Into B1, B2, B3. B1, B2, B3. What will say? Either compulsory B1 will come, B2, B3 may be choice. Or compulsory B2 will come, B1, B3 choice. So you can see there are so many situations, conditions are coming, because now you cannot have put the condition that B1 will come or not. It may come or may not come. This way I cannot say for all three. So such kind of situation, when you cannot make the bracket, I cannot make the bracket for the black. Of course I can make it, but it will be too complicated. I cannot make direct simply the bracket as I'm making W1, W2 and R1, R2, R3. So this kind of the question, I will always suggest go ahead with the manual way. That is very simple. I want to select, so suppose all are different ball. So 2 plus 3 plus total 9 ball. So 9C3 way I can select 3 ball. But in that case is also included when there is no black ball. So minus those cases, selection of 3 balls when no black ball will be what? 6C3. 9C3 minus 6C3. And that will give you what the answer? 9C3 will become what? 9 by 3 into 8C2. 8C2 will become 8 into 7 by 2 is 28. And minus 6C3 means 6 by 3 into 5C2 means 10. So that will become 3 and 4, and this is the 84 minus this is the 20. Answer will be 64. Whenever you are not allowed to easily make the bracket, always make the cases into. I hope it's clear to all of you. 64 will be the answer. Anybody did by coefficient method? Anybody got 64 answer by coefficient method? Okay, one student got by coefficient method. Fine. So this is the way we used to select it. Coefficient method is not limited to this. You can do in some other situation also. So in the case when you have to distribute, whenever you have to distribute, number of ways to distribute n identical objects into R groups. I'm taking as a simple 2-3 groups so that okay, R groups will be coefficient of x power n in bracket of group 1 into bracket of group 2 into bracket of group 3 and so on, bracket of group R. I will tell you what is the meaning. This is very perfect way of doing distribution of identical object or solving the equations. What is the meaning? The limitation. The group 1, how many object it can be. So let me explain you by example. Then only you'll understand. Okay. Suppose I say that solve this equation. Which equation? A plus B plus C equal to 15. Where A, B, C are whole numbers. Right? Means A, B, C are non-negative integer. So you say, sir, it's very simple. We can use the our formula. Yes or no? Direct answer we can get it. But let's do it by coefficient method. Let's do it by coefficient method. I have to, actually its meaning is what? Distribution of 15 identical objects. 15 identical objects and then into the 3 groups. So 15 identical object into the 3 groups. So I will say coefficient of x power 15. X power 15 in group 1. Up now here game start. Group 1 condition. What is the group 1? A. A can take how many x? Maybe 0x means 1 or 1x or 2x or it can go up to 15. And group 2 condition same and group 3 condition same to power 3. Have you understand? Means coefficient of x power 15 in this will be written as what? 1 minus x power 16 by 1 minus x power 3. So x power 15, we can write 1 minus x power 16 power 3 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Now if you expand this part, every term will contain x power 16. We can ignore it. Only one we will take it. So coefficient of x power 15 in 1 minus x power minus 3. And that will be equal to 15 plus 3 minus 1 C3 minus 1. I hope if you do by the other way, then also you'll get the same thing answer. Then why we are doing by this way, sir? I will tell you, don't worry. Is this line clear? Is it clear to everybody? Now, imagine question is coming, I want the solution of this, where A, B, C are integers. Please watch very carefully, everybody. And A's condition is there. A is lying between 1 and 6. B also lie between 1 and 6. C also lie between 1 and 6. Now by doing your formula way, it will be too difficult. Too difficult. Because if minimum condition is there, that we can manage. Remember that minimum object give to them and then do the empty group condition. But here minimum as well as maximum both is there. So this kind of situation, it will be much easier if you do by the coefficient method. So what we will say, coefficient of x power 15 in group 1 condition, start from 1 and a maximum 6, means x plus x square plus so on till x power 6. B, same condition. C, same condition to power 3. X we can take common, so we'll say x power 15 in x cube into 1 plus x square plus so on till x power 5 power 3. Correct? X power 15 in this total is same as x power 12 in this, because this has to give 12, then only total 315 will become 1 plus x square, which I can write. I hope you can understand. I can write this one as 1 minus x power 6 by 1 minus x power 3. So the x power 12 in 1 minus x power 6 power 3 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Am I clear to everyone? So x power 12 in, expand this one. So this will be 1 minus 3x power 6 plus 3x power 12. Further, I will not write because the next term will be 18x power and we are looking only 12. So ignore that. 1 minus x power minus 3. So that is going to be equal to x power 12 in 1 minus x power minus 3. I'm multiplying here. Minus 3 into x power 6 into 1 minus x power minus 3 plus 3 into x power 12 into 1 minus x power minus 3. Now, time for writing answer. Coefficient of x power 12 in this. So that will be 12 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1 minus 3 into x power 6 already there. X power 6 we need here. So 6 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1 plus 3 into x power 12 is there. So this has to give x power 0. So 0 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1. So that will become 15 minus 1, 14 C2 minus 3 into 9 minus 1, 8 C2 plus 3, there 2 C2, 1 plus 3. Whatever answer is going to come, that will be your final answer. Somebody asking that why you taken x cube common. Where I taken x cube common? I taken x common from here. So the outside came x cube. Because whatever common, that will take it out. Simplification will be easy. I'll just make it a little bit smaller so that the complete solution can appear. Yes. I hope all of you are able to see complete solution. What is the answer is coming? It will not be very big answer, I guess. 14 into 13 by 2 is 91. 8C2 is the over 8 into 7 by 2 is 28. 28 into 3, 84. 91 minus 84, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Answer will be 10. Only 10 solutions are there for this equation. Am I right? So distribution based questions you can do by this way. So distribution directly equation based or other way can be given. One homework, and hold on everybody. This is the old JEE question. Everybody write the question quickly. Right? All of you wrote it. So this is all about your permutation and combination theory point of view. The next session will be done on the PYQ of permutation combination, which will be done not immediately after 3-4 days. PYQ means previous year JEE question, including JEE main and JEE advance. JEE main and JEE advance both. And after that, the binomial will get started. So try and see the things, how many people are able to solve these questions and get up the things. Right? Chali, thank you very much to all of you. See you in the next lecture. Try to post answers, everybody. Thank you.